Baby, that's how Justin Bieber was. Just like this. Purr. No, very much melted, very much B.O.B. So they gonna you ball. Yeah, yeah. Stop playing. You know that I'm known for the ball.
Got me. You know you got me. Got me. Got me. Got me. Got me. You know you got me. You know you got me. Got me. You know you got me.
I'm actually filming a video today. Stop the presses. I'll just like get right to it. Cause I asked, like, you beeping is not making them come outside no faster. I'm taking my Got2b glue, the yellow one. I feel like the yellow one is a little bit stronger than the black one. For real, like on a serious note, you gotta slick that shit back. I know I look horrible, like this is really bad, but I think I'm about to reuse it. Ideally, you wanna get a new wig cap, but I'm not. Take my popsicle stick and I'm going to spread it right over top the line. I kind of do it like in between like right on the line and like a little bit on my forehead, and like most of it I put on the bald cap for obvious reasons. I don't want my edges coming out when I take my wig off. Also want my wig to sit in the right spot, and like you don't gotta be cute with it. Like you could really get into it with it. Like in a matter of seconds, it will turn clear, and that is your green light. Ooh, that is your green light to begin laying a wig down. I'm gonna let this dry. This is the wig in question. My little B.O.B. so they calling you Bob. Yeah, it's very much so. Place it right where the glue in. Rat tail comb, and I'm gonna just like press the wig in, but also like comb the hair out so that it's not like stuck. I'm gonna take my melt band, right on the hairline. Wait, this hair is not. So yeah, I'm gonna take this right on the hairline. And it got Velcro. Bro, you know how many years of me wearing wigs have been spent where I had to tie my wig band behind my head and it wasn't tight enough, so my wig was not down. Like, it's just a waste. Baby, that's how Justin Bieber was. Just like this. Purr. Now, I'm gonna fire up the grill. You wanna have a hot comb, plug-in hot comb, and a flat iron. I flat iron at the highest heat. Yeah, you can't see that, but yeah, I use it at the highest heat probably because I just want my shit straight. Like, I always use my hot comb at the highest heat because I need my shit flat, like flat. So I'm gonna section this off into 3 sections. This section of hair in the front. Wait, where my clip? This section of hair in the front. this section of here in the front also. Comb it out. And then the rest of this, oh snap, the rest of this in the back. I'm gonna take my weightless hydration oil by OGX, and I'm gonna spray just a little bit. Just a little bit. You don't need a lot because it's gonna make your hair greasy. See, look, it's already getting a little greasy. Part it. Give me a little piece. Clip the rest away. Oh, I also need my wax stick because that's what's gonna help my wig lay down. Take the wax stick. So take it right and I don't know if my hot comb is hot enough yet. It's hot to me. So yeah, like that. Then after I do that, run it a couple times, split it in half. I'm gonna take the flat iron. You hear that sizzle? That's what you're gonna hear. That's on stuff. Hold on. But yeah. And I'm gonna bump the ends like grandma said. Yup. Yup. Take the rest of your hair and just repeat. Woo! It melted. It looks terrible, but it's melted. I'm gonna cut it. I cut off the excess hair. Then I place a little bit of the glue on the baby hair. Oh, sorry. Let me angle it because I'm gonna be in the mirror with it. So yeah, I brush it out first. Sometimes I like to use the comb because it picks up the hair better. But I'm going to be alternating between my toothbrush and the comb. So I'm going to take the hair, right? And I'm going to brush it out to come in. Right? Then if I want to reshape the baby hair, I can use the comb to do that because it'll pick up the hair better. brush outward to come back in. I cut it off after I'm finished making the shape that I want to make, and then I comb that away just so that I don't have no tails just hanging out. I take the tail of the rat tail comb and I use my finger, hold it down, flip that bit over like that. Yes. Well, I can't really look at it and do it on camera, but yeah, like that. I'll press that down. I'm gonna take the milk bin and I'm gonna throw that back on top of my baby hairs. I'm gonna go and clean up, and then I'm gonna come back and y'all gonna see the finished product. Alright guys, I'm back and this is how we are looking. Very much melted, very much B.O.B. so they gonna you ball. Yeah. Stop playing. You know that I'm gonna put it up behind my ears. I can, and it's given, I don't know. I don't know what I was about to say, but yeah. It's given. Yeah. I said that already. But yeah, so this is it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You should never leave my channel without subscribing. That's disrespectful. Subscribe to my channel. Shout out to the one person that asked for the wig, for the shady wig, you know, detailed video. She knows who she is. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.